welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya. So in today's video, as you guys have read by the title, your girl is doing a fragrance haul. I haven't done a fragrance haul yet on my channel, so I'm pretty excited. And it's also exciting because this is in partnership with Dossier. If you guys haven't heard of Dossier, Dossier is a fragrance company that kind of reproduces your classic, high quality, very expensive luxury item. They turn it into their own fragrances, which are really affordable, long lasting, and pretty much kind of the same thing as a luxury item, just you pay a fraction of the price. Honestly, with Dossier, you can't get any better than these fragrances. They are honestly a game changer for me, from coming from Bath and Body Works products to now upgrading to Dossier and using more, I would say, grown woman scents. Changed the game. Like, I'm in love with these fragrances. So if you guys want to see all the fragrances that I have, go into more detail on each item, then make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button first, and let's just go ahead and hop right into this. Alright you guys, so before we get into these fragrances and I'm showing you guys all the fragrances that I have and the scents and all my thoughts on them, let me just go ahead and talk about Dossier a little bit. So like I said before, Dossier is a fragrance company that reproduces your luxury scents into a fraction of the cost, while also keeping the same exact quality from those higher end fragrances, but they cut them down into a more reasonable price so it can be accessible to any and everyone. Their prices for their fragrances range from about $29 to $49, which is not that bad for a fragrance that lasts all day. Another great thing about Dossier is if you don't really like the scent that you chose from online, which it can be hard buying scents online because you don't really know exactly what they smell like, especially if you aren't familiar with the higher luxury scents, since Dossier is a brand that has scents that are inspired by the luxury items. It can be kind of hard to just pick out the item. You can send back the item with free returns along with 25% off when you buy 3 or more fragrances from them. So you can't get any better than that when shopping with Dossier. Another thing that I also noticed with them as a company is that they have a whole lot of new fragrances daily. They're always adding new scents to their website. They have scents for women, men, and also unisex, so it's pretty much available for any and everyone, and they're also very much affordable. I love it, especially with me being in college. I love smelling good. Scents are like key to my heart. With them being in the price range that there is, I most definitely will be shopping there all the time because it's in my price range. Why pay $350 for a scent when you can get pretty much the same exact scent for about $29? But if you guys are not in college and you guys just like getting things for a reasonable price that still has high quality, then you guys should definitely shop with Dossier. You pretty much can't get any better than shopping with Dossier for your fragrances. Now I'm about to get into the portion of me explaining all the products that I have, showing you guys the scents that I picked up and how I like them. Let's go ahead and get into these scents. Dossier sent me 6 scents, so I'm just gonna pick up the first one that I see. And so originally they come into these small boxes, and it just has the Dossier company name written on it, and it comes in these boxes, which I honestly think is really good because it allows it to just protect the item in here, because it is glass made. It's made with glass. And when you open it up, you just get a card inside which has all the information on each product and like the notes on it, what it's inspired by, the concentration, and pretty much a thank you and how it works. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna kind of hold it up to the screen for you guys to see, but this is what it looks like. It has a small little tester in it, which I think is really cool because, like I said before, you can't really tell what the perfume smells like by buying it online. So you can try out the tester, and if you don't like it and you haven't opened up the bigger size bottle, then you can send it back for a free return or exchange for a newer fragrance if you don't like the original one that you have. So I have the tester, and I have been using this one a lot. So this one is called Floral Jasmine. So it comes with a card in the box and a tester. And like I said before, I do like the packaging because it allows the actual container to still be protected. This one is Floral Jasmine, real nice packaging. And one thing I do like about this packaging is the top. The container is magnetic. It's pretty much hard to kind of lose the top. It's also hard to break this top here because I know with me with perfumes, especially ones from Bath and Body Works, it's really easy to lose the tops, and it's also easy to take off these. So I like that about these, and I like the packaging as well. It's just really sleek. And also another thing that I noticed about the Dossier perfumes is that even though it's inspired by the luxury scents, you don't see the luxury scent name up here. It gives it its own name, so it's very much original and it's unique. This one is Floral Jasmine, so I'm gonna read out the notes for you guys. The top note is neroli, cardamom, bergamot, and pepper. The middle notes are jasmine, sambac, I don't know how to say this word, so don't judge me, and broom flower. The base notes are clary sage and vanilla. This one is inspired by Tom Ford Jasmine Rube, and the concentration is 18%, and it just pretty much just says how it works and everything. So this one smells really good. It smells like, I can kind of smell the vanilla in this one, but I also can smell like a fruity scent. This one will kind of be like I would say a going out scent, because it gives me like a nighttime vibe. So if I want to go out or something, I would choose this one. It smells really good though. I love this one. Moving on to the next one. This one is Floriantel Orange Blossom. They didn't send me a card in this one, so I'm just going to look on my laptop to see. It's inspired by Estee Lauder's Beautiful, which I'm pretty familiar with this one because my mom has it. I think she has it now. Either my grandma used to have it, but let me go ahead and say this. It doesn't give you like grandma vibes. Really none of the perfumes that I have don't give me like grandma, older woman vibes. It gives me pretty much like a regular scent. This one is inspired by Estee Lauder's Beautiful. So I haven't used this one yet, but it smells exactly like Estee Lauder's Beautiful. So this one is pretty similar. This one retails for $29, and the actual Estee Lauder Beautiful is $85, so you do the math. It also has the notes on the container. The top notes are violet, mimosa, and the middle notes are orange blossom, gardenia, and tuberose. The base notes are vanilla, sandalwood, and orris. This one gives me like everyday vibes, just trying to spray it on, go out the house, whatever. Or if you're just staying in the house, yeah, this gives me like very much everyday scent. And it's really light too. It doesn't give me a strong scent like the first one that I showed you guys, but this one is like very light, very simple, very clean. I would wear this one probably like every day around the house, or just if I'm going to run errands or something simple. So this next one is called Powdery Hawthorn. Now this one I've been using like crazy. I love this one so much. So Powdery Hawthorn is inspired by Tom Ford's Metallic. It smells so sweet, so good. It gives me like a somewhat of a strong, somewhat masculine scent, but also a very sweet and nice scent at the same time. I haven't smelled any of Tom Ford's actual scents, but based off of like the Estee Lauder one, it smells exactly like it. So I wouldn't be surprised if this one smells really similar to Tom Ford's Metallic. This one to me is like a date night scent. You don't want to smell too strong, but you don't want it to smell too light either. Here are the notes on Powdery Hawthorn. The top notes are aldehyde, neroli, and orange blossom. The middle notes are hawthorn and heliotrope flower. The base notes are vanilla and amberette, and also Peru balsam. Like I said before, with the sweetness in this scent, you can honestly smell like the vanilla. This one is really good. I love this one. This is probably like my favorite one. Even though I did say this one is probably like for a date night or a going out at night type of scent, you can really spray this like any given time, but I would say a little does go a long way with this one. So this next one is Floral Honeysuckle, and this one is inspired by Gucci Bloom. This one I didn't get a tester, but I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this bottle. Oh yeah, this one smells really good. This one smells so good. This one could be also, it kind of gives me like an everyday vibe as well. It's not too strong, but it's not light, but it's kind of like in the middle. Top notes are green leaves, orange, honeysuckle. The middle notes are jasmine, sambac, and tuberose. The base notes are orris, sandalwood, and vanilla. This one, I don't know what Gucci Bloom smells like, but this one smells like, it smells really good. It's not too strong, it's not too light, but yeah, it's just right. It smells really good. But also with this one, you can tell that a little does go a long way with this one. You know how you spray perfume too much, it doesn't even smell really good? Yeah, this one, It's a little goes a long way with this one. The next one that I have, this one is called Gourmand White Flowers. This one is inspired by Victor Rolf Flower Bomb. I haven't tried Victor Rolf at all, so I don't know what their scents smell like. I'm gonna go ahead and read you guys the notes. The top notes are bergamot, green tea, freesia, and berries. The middle notes are white flowers and rose. The base notes are musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. This one is very sweet, like very, very, very sweet. This is like another everyday scent. This one is very sweet. It's not light, but it's not strong. And as in strong, I don't mean like a musky scent, but as in strong, like it'll kind of hit you strong. This one smells really good. It smells really nice. It gives me more of like a daytime scent. I will wear this more at the daytime, not really at night, because I don't know, nighttime to me, like the scents for the nighttime, I feel like I want them to be more stronger. Like something like very sweet and very like clean or simple, you know? I would like something that's more stronger at night. Let me know what kind of scents you guys like for daytime and nighttime and everyday scents. But this one right here smells really good, smells really sweet. Pretty sure all these smell good because I'm on my 5th scent and I haven't been disappointed yet, so that should tell y'all something. So this is my last and final scent that I'm going to be showing you guys. This one is called Floral Ruhabar. I think that's how you pronounce it. But this one is inspired by the Marc Jacobs Perfect. I am familiar with this one. I don't have it personally, but I have heard of the Marc Jacobs Perfect before. Top notes are rhubarb, orange blossom, and peach. The middle notes are daffodil, milky accord, narcissus. The base notes are cedarwood, blonde woods, and musk. So this one, just reading off of the card, it probably is a more muskier scent and stronger scent. I haven't used this one yet and I haven't smelled it at all, so I'm just spray it up here. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This brings back a childhood memory. It's a musky scent, but it's not too harsh and it's not too strong. So it's really like clean and simple. For this one, I would wear it as an everyday scent. And I've probably said this for most of them because I go ham on perfumes. I go ham on fragrances. Like, I don't play when it comes to them. In all, I honestly would wear this one as an everyday scent. Most definitely, because it's just really nice. It's really clean. It's really simple. It's not too harsh. It has musk in it, but it's not too strong of a scent, if that makes sense. Yeah, it smells so good. This one, she's it. This one right here smells so good. You guys, so we come to the end of this video. This was a pretty fun video to film for you guys. Just figuring out my favorite scents from my nighttime, daytime, and my everyday scents. Like I said before, I'm really just trying to change up into my fragrances, just trying to get into my more grown woman scents. So I'm pretty excited to see where this takes me. I'm just really happy and really blessed to be able to partner up with Dossier for their scents and their line. I'm honestly in love and I will definitely shop with them again. I do have a code down below for you guys in my description box for you guys to go shop and check out Dossier. You will not regret it, I promise you. Their scents are very affordable, very much long lasting. They have different variety of scents for men, women, or if you guys like the unisex scents, they have scents for pretty much any and everyone. They have free returns. If you don't like the item, you can return it for free. You can exchange it for free. You can't get any better than that. Like, it's amazing. Like I said before, I'm in love with all the scents, but I have to pick my top 2 out of all 6. My 2 favorite scents are Powdery Hawthorn and Floral Ruhabar. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it wrong down below. This is like my everyday scent, and this one would be my going out nighttime scent. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below for more videos like this, and go ahead and click the link down below and use my code to get some money off of your purchase. Go ahead and check Dossier out right now. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, then please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.